activity, please. Take one and pass. Take one and pass. Take one and pass, please. So, what are you going to do with this activity? You are done? Don't finish this. Okay. What are you going to do with this activity? Listen. Listen to me, please. First, you. What is missing? Here.
T-shirt.
This one for Israel. You have to work with that days. Now, listen, please. Listen to me, please. What are you going to do with the activity? First, you are going to observe. First. Number one, you are going to observe the pictures. Then, you are going to name. No. Okay, observe the picture. First, observe. Observe the picture. Look at the picture, please. Look at the picture, please. Look. Don't talk, please. Just look. Observe the pictures. Okay. Listen to me, please. Look at here. Look, observe. Repeat. Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Do the dishes.
Do the dishes.
Do the dishes.
Do the dishes.
Or you can say, wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Do the dishes.
Or
Wash the dishes.
make the bed. Make the bed.
Make the bed. Water the plants. Water the dishes. Do wash the dishes. Make the bed.
Vacuum.
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 Go shopping.
Go shopping.
Go shopping.
Go shopping.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass.
Vacuum.
Vacuum.
Go shopping.
Go shopping. Vacuum. Go shopping. Cut the grass.
Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Pay the bills.
Pay the bills.
Pay the bills.
Pay the bills.
Are you looking at this?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
There is a man or woman with a credit card in hands. It's clear? The picture? Good. And this, are you looking at this? In a clear way? It's clear?
Yeah.
It's a woman with a dog next to her. So, repeat. Walk the dog.
Walk the dog.
Walk the dog.
Walk the dog. And water the plants. Wash the dishes.
Do the dishes or
Wash the dishes. Make the bed. Vacuum. Go shopping.
go shopping.
Go shopping.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass.
Cut the grass. Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Pay the bills.
Pay the bills.
Walk the dog.
Walk the dog. Okay. Good. Excellent. I need here this group, please. Please help me. What is this? What chore is this? What chore is this? Everyone.
Water the plants.
Excuse me?
Water the plants.
Water the plants. This group. That group. Okay, I'm going to repeat. You didn't understand. So pay attention, please. the pictures. You are going to name the picture. You are going to use this. You are going to read this, and you are going to label the picture. You have 3 minutes. Label the picture. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Label the picture. Hello? Listen, listen please. You have 3 minutes, no 2 minutes. Listen please. Listen. You are going to check out. You have to consult with your partner. Consult. Oh, I take out the words. And what do you do? Excellent. Okay. Okay, good, good, good. So, what did you go with this? It is picture. What are the plans? Good, good. What are the plans? Is it correct? Yes. Raise your hand if you place that. Good, excellent. Number 2, do the beaches. Wash the beaches. Good. Number 3, look, number 3. Make the bed. Good, excellent. Number 5, right here. Number 5, go shopping. Go shopping. Number 6, cut the grass. Number 7, sweep the floor. Number 8, pay the bill. Number 9, wash the dog. Good, excellent, excellent. Okay, here are our next activities. Please take the page apart from you. And now, please, you have 2 minutes for this activity. 2 minutes for this activity. Are you understanding the shores? Are you understanding the shores? Are you understanding? It's easy? It's easy to learn about shores? It's easy? Look, excellent. Now, Andrea, pay attention please. Pay attention please. What are we going to do now in 2 minutes? So, you are going to classify the shores and share with your partner. You are going to classify. In this column, you see easy shores. You know what is easy shore? In this column, in this column, you are going to write the difficult shores. Okay? You are going to take your For example, look at me, please. Look at me, please. Look at me, please. 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 You are going to take this. If you think that wash the t-shirt is an easy shore, you are going to place here. Don't glue. If you think that wash the t-shirt is a difficult shore, you are going to place it in this column. So, 2 minutes, please.
Pero la
Made the bed.
What are the plans?
Pay the bills. No, it's finish.
Good. Excellent. So now share with your partner what is easy and what is difficult for you. Share with your partner. Excuse me. Share with your partner what is difficult for you. Share. Talk to your partner. Talk to your partner. Talk to your partner. What is difficult? Talk to your partner. Talk what is easy for you. What is easy for you? What is difficult? What is easy for you? What is easy for you? What is easy for you? Excellent. Good. Now here, our next activity, please. Here we have is a conversation. 1 minute for conversation. Just 1 minute. Take one, please. Take one. And pass. Now, here, what am I going to do? Listen, listen, listen. Hello, please, please, Seneda, please, can you hear me? Thank you, thank you. This is the situation. There is a mom and son. There is a man, mother, and son. The son wants to go to the beach. And he's going to his mother and tell her, Mom, I want to the beach this weekend. And Mom said, oh yes, you can go back. Have you got the grass? Have you got the grass? Have you washed the dishes? And so on. Do you understand? So, who is going to be mother? Who is going to be? She's mother and you are a son. So, go ahead. You are going to be mother. Who is going to be mother and son? Daughter? Keep on.